Frank will act like the ball stuck. So then, like on our ball, since it's April Fools, and then like that's right in this video. So that we have posted. This is a video. We're gonna post it. So now hi guys. Can you say hi guys? Hi guys. Hi guys.
Don't press it. You also want some drinking yogurt, my son?
No, thank you. Guys, my mom's even leave it. Oh, we need flour. Yeah, we need flour. Guys, we're gonna drink grandpa. Yeah. Grandpa. But you need to like go to the bathroom because we're gonna say you just went to the bathroom quickly.
Oh my God, to the back.
Okay, now do it though. So we're gonna bring it out.
Just go get my phone.
Okay. Guys, we're gonna start pour when it out to love up the party because we're making pancakes. With more, but you go to the bottom. Aram sam sam, good 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 good. Aram sam sam, aram sam sam, aram. I know it's bleeding. We need help. We're making pancakes, but Mom's in the bathroom. We need help because we're making pancakes, but Mom went to the bathroom quickly, so then she just said, like we must like put this in the pan there, but we can't get the bowl up. It's stuck. Yeah. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. It really is. Oh my days. Guys, that failed. That was an epic fail. Wait, can we do it on Skyland? Guys, so it failed on my poor and my cousin and sister. Because my cousin just said I must wait until she's done. My mom's done in the bathroom. So